Hey everyone, welcome to Super Cat Bros. My name is Hiro Shoto, and we've already expired on the intro, so let's already just hop into the game. I like hopping in. Okay, sorry about the last part of this. So now that we have 20 bells, we can finally enter in this guy's gate. El Gato. Trying to be his least note. Every single video, especially when I'm recording, I just get a TikTok ad. Don't ask for it, I just get it. I want you. Let's go. Yeah, we already know what he says. Ooh, so I have the bells to pass. Thank you.
I just wanted to email her.
Thank you, goodbye.
I wanted to do it sooner rather than later. But I think that is the best way to find stuff too, though. Like through people. This was.
Oh, it's so shaky and laggy. I don't like it. So sorry, that's lagging. Oh god, no! Hop, skitty, bop. That's how you do that. That's how you open gates, by the way. Ooh, water, I need that. I don't know why, but I just need it. What does it do? Oh, yeah, it does that.
Matt wants money for going to Disney World. Disneyland.
No! Oh, it's still going.
Yeah, when we were over there, Matt said they want cars. I'm like, don't you have enough cars?
No! Frick. That was a jump of warning. Dance cat. Let's get out of here. Oh, come on, so we're supposed to wait for those dudes to go away? No, I'm dead. Stars. Peppers are so good. You guys like peppers? Yum. They're so good. Oh, yes.
Well, you know what? So as far as what I'm getting for the kids, I don't know,
Oh, my God. Wait, there's bomb? Bomb? Oh, just a living... Oh, it's just a living rock. Never mind, it's not a bomb.
You can get Disney gift cards that they can use. But the kids aren't going to know what that's. They're not going to appreciate that. Unless I wrap it up in a way like, you can get a special gift at Disney.
Get away, rock. I don't even care if it kills me. Go, go.
Did Christy ever say anything about looking for homes in Libertyville or Vernon Hills? You're looking for homes in Libertyville? I don't know. Did she ever say anything to you? I was watering my plant downstairs. I found this card. And it's like the only one
Dang it.
over here.
Let's try this again.
My kids or whatever. And so I was trying to figure out whose hand
There you go.
it is. It's like, well,
I don't know why it would want me to change. Oh, because I have to climb the wall. Yeah. This is the part where I do not get it.
I don't know. It's like it's so random or so, I don't know.
Oh my god, so I do need the same character. Game, you're killing me, I swear to God.
They do keep saying, in order to be happy, you
Huh.
have to tell
Yeah.
each day you have something that you're
I hate it. I hate when they do that.
and so maybe
Hit,
she's
flip,
trying something like
flip.
this, but then this list of things oh no, Hills or Northbrook. Well, they can't really, and stuff, you know, but, I mean, yes, you can sometimes, like at this time of year especially.
Hey! I'm gonna make this video shorter than most of my videos because lots of them are super long and nobody wants to watch like an 8-hour video. It's a known fact. Unless if you're watching PewDiePie's 12-hour Minecraft stream. That was fun watching that after school, even though I didn't watch it.
And they probably have better schools, right? Better than, the Palatine High School. I know she's worried about that, but, it's gonna be a while before they get there. Yeah, but you do have to move that out a little bit more, too.
Me's confused. So you hit the dudes, and then they're scared of you, but you can die while they do. You hit the dudes, and then they die. And then, it makes no sense.
I have to change that thing up there, I can't stand that. And I think I'm gonna go with a green up there.
I'm gonna do this.
Well, no, I want something up there because what's under.
What's on here?
Ugly. So, but, when I get the new floor, I'm going to, get new blinds, I get new white blinds.
I'm guessing I have to switch characters or
The dark one,
something.
so. You just made it sound like it was heavy. No.
Oh, so y'all gotta do this in one run. Okay. Reset. Just let it reset.
But she has gained some weight again, so she's back to 17 pounds.
Dang it.
That's the other day.
Oh, that's so annoying.
I don't know, maybe they're just
Go, gamers! And complete the level like a boss.
still on your medication or no?
You need the pepper. Fuck that hands for having a long time. So the viewers get annoyed. And they end up ending up with no subscribers. That's fun. Canyon Lake. Oh, I know what I have to be. I know who I have to be. I can already tell. Boo!
I think I'd rather that than the anger, like last night I told him he couldn't sleep with him. So he's like, I just need a day away.
Let's cook this one.
And I told
Swimming in this game is so slow. I love it. I don't. I hate it very much. Please stop. I don't think you're making any noise. Up!
you never know who you might miss.
Ooh.
Yeah. No, like yesterday, I didn't make terrible money and just with like.
Oh, jeez. I didn't mean to kill the bat.
I mean, a
Why does this game feel like an anime?
it's something to look
Does everything feel so anime about it? Cut. Jump. They can't kill me, I don't care. At least I know I died a good cat. Can they have like a dog related games so I don't hate myself? So you get close to the guys and then they freak out. I get it. It's a suicide mission. Oh, jeez. Am I dead or like? I want that bell though. I want the bell. Give me the bell. Bat's still here. Bat? What are bat doing? No, don't slide. Why do you slide? I don't like it when you slide. Stop sliding. Don't. No, frick it. Screw the level. Or just be nice to the level and gently caress it. And then make it to the end like a boss. Yeah, there we go. Good peppers. I think I'm gonna click on the next video. Actually, no, I'm gonna end this video. Wait, what? No, I'm gonna click on the next level. Actually, no, I'm gonna end the video. So see you guys in another Super Cat Bros level some other day. He's still got a... Oh my god. He's still got a long way to go for this game. But I'll see you guys in the end. And then we'll finish this game. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.